essentially what you're talking about is you are going after essentially the middle class, the sort of the vaguely affluent, but they're not necessarily massively cash rich. They've really had to scrabble together every pound that they have to build that ISA. They have a property, but again, that's all of that wealth is tied up in that property. And I really think, given how much discontent there is already with what you might call Middle England, particularly over immigration, and you look at the way that people are coming out over migrant hotels and et cetera, and actually it's increasingly the broadly middle classes and the broadly vaguely affluent. I think you could be looking at a poll tax moment if you potentially look at these taxes. I think if people are seeing the government coming after their property and coming after their savings, it's not just enough that their income tax is, they pay 40p over £50,000. It's an extraordinary rate of tax. I really think you could be in a poll tax moment where you get absolutely massive protests